Sasa wale wamepoteza maisha ni Wakenya 194. 194 lives have been lost sababu ya mafuriko haya.
The reservoir of Masinga, as per this morning, we've reached historical figure of 1057.86 above the sea level. Maximum reservoir is 1056.5, so you can see it's above. So it is a serious issue, and we are telling the people who are downstream Garissa all the way to Tana River, things are worsening.
So for those who are in the ways of danger, and I pointed out particularly in Garissa and in Tana River, we are moving you. We start moving before we come. We will have to ensure that you are safe.